Now see, I can see where those are. Now granted, it's still drying and it's in a closet, so I'm going to leave it. But if that was right out into your bedroom somewhere, let's say on a wall, would I leave it like that? No, I would let that dry, and then I'd get a little paintbrush and I would get a little artist's brush. I wouldn't take a brush and go and do this whole little bit. No, because then you're going to see that on a flash mark. If you look at it sideways, you'll know exactly where those are. For instance, on a wall like this, see, this one's green, and that's kind of an off tannish color. And if I were to poke and fill some holes from a picture, let's say, look what I found.
No, don't.
Look what I found.
Don't put me on camera.
Oh.
My car had to go in today.
Today, still?
It's Friday.
Yeah.
Please, let's go.
Okay, I'm almost done. If you were filling some little holes, let's say you're going to move a picture off of a green wall or a tan wall, and you go to the store and you cannot find, there's no way you're going to find a caulking color this color. You could put white on there and do it the same way I just showed you how to do it over here. Do it very, very carefully, especially on a colored wall, let's say. And then I would find the paint, and I would take an artist brush, and I would just dab it just in the middle a little bit. I wouldn't brush it up and down or sideways or anything. I would just kind of tap it right in the middle and around it, just as big as the hole was, and that's all. I wouldn't do anything more, because if so, you're gonna see it. You won't see it straight on, you know, but if you look at it on the side, like over here, you're gonna see, oh yeah, there it is. One there, one there, one there, one over there. You'll see everything, okay? So don't forget that. Okay, well, I got that all cleaned up. Gotta move my caulking gun, of course. But let's take a look at this over here. Oh, isn't that nice? It's all wrapped up there. I've got the little shower container holding my fittings, and my extensions just happen to fit up in some holes. And coming down, got the bottom of that all in its rightful place for next time. I even vacuumed all that up over there before I put that away. Ready for the next customer. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.